Home service business owners, is your business wearing you out due to wearing too many hats? To explain why I'm out here on a Tuesday in the middle of the workday going for a ride, you need to first understand how it all happened. It was May of 2021. I was running a large home service business and we were approaching the busiest time of our year. The calls were rolling in, the emails were stacking up, and I was desperately trying to hire and train the new staff. I was trying hard, and I mean like really trying hard. As a business owner, you know what I mean. Up until midnight, thrashing at the computer, making family and health sacrifices. I just couldn't deal with all the things that had to get done to run a busy home service business. I didn't feel like I was getting ahead. I realized that I was getting so weighed down by trying to do all the things by myself. You know, like answering the phones, the scheduling, the invoicing, the emails, and the voicemails. I was spending most of my time on low-value tasks that weren't driving revenue for the business, and as a result, it wasn't growing. I knew something had to change. And that's when I welcomed my very first virtual assistant, Jan. She was smart, she was keen, she was professional, and she spoke great English. Over the coming months, I gathered up all the tasks that I shouldn't be doing, and she did them instead. And the best part of all, a virtual assistant is less than half the cost of an in-person employee. I now have the freedom to do what I love to do. For the record, that business went on to sell for 7 figures. And since then, I realized that I wasn't the only home service business owner who was really desperate for help. And so I've created a business that helps match you with your very own Jan. Now don't get me wrong, my first VA hire was rough. I didn't know what I didn't know. Like, what hours do they work if they're halfway around the world? How do I figure out all the tech stuff? How do I pay them? What can they even do? With blood, sweat, and tears, I finally figured it out. And by the end, Jan was actually the manager of 3 other VAs on our team, and they took care of everything. From the moment the phone first rang right through until the customer got their receipt. And now I'm here to share this all with you. If this all sounds interesting to you, let's hop on a call and we can answer all the questions that you might have specific to your business. And if it's a good fit, we can get you started with your very own NinjaVA. Then you too will get to work less, make more, and do what you want to do on any given Tuesday. So if you're ready to do what you do best and let a NinjaVA do the rest, click the link below to book your free call before spots disappear.